In this video, we're going to take you through a quick overview of how to use the 12 different elements in the Wyzed system. To start off with here today, we're going to click on the text field, enter in the name of the text field, and next it will give us a text box which we can now insert a range of information. As we'll see above, we can add a range of formatting options to our text, including strike-through, bullets, numbers, as well as sizing it, aligning it, and inserting images if we so choose. Now that we have an element into the Wyzed system, we'll now see that there is a plus button above it and below it, and this will allow us to insert content above if we so choose. To do so, we simply click the plus button. Next, we'll go on the image. Here, we can either choose an existing image that's already been uploaded into the Wyzed system, or we can click on the upload image, and from here, simply clicking here to search our computers or clicking and dragging to upload our own photo. Once we've done that, we simply click add image, and to edit the image, we simply click it again, where we can remove the caption, as well as change the size of the image. Next, what we can do is talk about how to embed video into our system. So to do that, we simply click on the video element. We have two different ways to do this. We can either embed a video, which would be from YouTube or Vimeo. We can enter in the title, the description of it, and then enter in and copy and paste the URL, or we can also upload a video as well. To do so, we can simply click this and search our computer, or we can simply click and drag it directly onto our system to upload. And next, if we've uploaded the video, we can click this button here to make watching the video mandatory. Next, we can also upload audio into the Wyzed system as well. Following a very similar format, we're entering the name, the description, and then from there we can click and drag an audio file directly into the Wyzed system. We can include a link into the Wyzed system as well. So entering in the name of the website. And we can click display the link as a button and add the link. Next, we can upload files directly into the Wyzed system. Clicking the file and entering a description and clicking the add file. Once we've done that, we can click on the add file section, where we can either choose an existing file or we can upload it again by clicking here or simply clicking and dragging it off our screen. The system is also embeddable via Google Docs, as well as using the embed code feature. If you have any questions around this, please feel free to email us at info@wyzed.com. Next, we're going to talk about these bottom four elements. These bottom four elements are used to begin to get our learners to start engaging with the content in the system in a variety of ways. Starting on the left-hand side, we have a discussion element. This is a forum type element. With any of these bottom four elements, we'll see that there are two additional buttons. This button here will allow your administrators to receive an email notification as soon as the learner responds to this question. And this one here allows the super global admin to receive an email as well when the learner responds to the question. Next, we have a learner upload section. So this is where we can allow our learners to be able to upload a variety of documents into the system. As well, we can make uploading this mandatory if we so choose. Next, we have the ability to ask long or short form questions. We can put in the question title here, enter in a quick question here. Next, we can select where they get a little bit of room, a lot of room, as well as if we want to make it mandatory, and again, if we want to get notified through the administrator's emails. And last but not least, we have the ability to insert multiple choice elements. And now here, we can enter in our various answers. And of course, telling the system which one is correct. Here we can select unlimited attempts, single attempt, as well as we can customize to either not give them feedback or customize the feedback that they receive. And again, choosing whether the question is mandatory or not. Once we've done that, we click Add Multiple Choice, and our topic is ready to go.